360R Welding Simulator. Redefine welding training with augmented reality, blending traditional teaching with cutting-edge AR simulation. A revolutionary, portable tool for welding skill building. For corporate training, slash training costs by 60%. Cut skill mastery time significantly. For vocational schools, train batches of students efficiently. Boost teaching productivity instantly. Interactive WPS welding cards. Real-time assessment and feedback. AI voice guidance plus data monitoring. Customized training plans. Zero material waste. Faster, easier welding mastery. Transform your welding training today. Contact us for a tailored solution.